YouTube car scene. Ooh. Oh yeah, this shit hot. Oh yeah, we live. Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Ooh. Let me hear that motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this motherfucker Lord. Hey, twin. Oh yeah, you in the 2SS thing. I remember you from last time. Ooh. This motherfucker Lord. Come on, B.
Where they at?
Now walk around with me, nigga. I'm gonna get the content, nigga. I'm on everybody car, nigga. Fuck you, me. That shit, duh. That's the nigga over there in the 2SS, gang. Well, if the blue lights, yes, the 2SS, that would leave your shit, gang. That shit would leave your shit, gang. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga, he is not stopped. Oh yeah, he would, nigga. Nigga, I didn't say regular SS, I said the 2SS, nigga. That's like it's like a, and you lost. I know you did. It's like a boosted SS. Oh yeah. Jeez. You be in the crib, I be outside. You getting the wrong thing. You getting me supposed to get these cars, nigga. Huh? I can't even see what it is. Oh, that's a Chrysler. Ooh. Hey, look-y. No, that was this. Yeah, that was not that. Damn. Oh, this nigga got a parachute on the back? That shit will leave your shit. Hey, that shit will leave your shit. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck. Damn. Good. Nah, I don't buy no hoodie, man. I don't even like BMWs. I'm a Mopar guy. Okay. Hey, what if he banged, fool? I'm gonna jump over that shit. I ain't gonna lie. Let me walk away from that nigga before he banged, fool. Hey, hold on, let me pause it up. Hey, you see this? He's a bitch. Hell yeah, I hear that shit. I wanna go get the bikes though. What the fuck are you doing over here? Fucking Hondas. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. This motherfucker's hot too. Oh, this motherfucker wet. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, if I had a bike, I would never stop for the police. I would never stop for the police if I had a bike. Like, what the fuck is the police, man? Like, nigga, I would not have a plate, gang. I would not have, they'd have to call the helicopter on me every time. And I'd be leaving shit, fool. Hey, it's more niggas going that way, huh? Yeah, I'm putting this whole big ass vid together. Hey, we gotta get back that way. Who? This Bill? You think that should keep gapping your shit? Oh, that's them right there. Uh-huh.
Oh, the boys here.
The police? Oh, shit.
I should smack everything down here. I don't know about that.
Oh, shit. How about the C7?
Everything.
Everything? The 2SS, everything?
Yeah.
Oh, his shit boosted.
Yeah, easy. Where?
That
Off
shit.
the joint, yeah, I'm smacking it. Maybe if it's like, if it goes wrong, then no.
Oh, he a rich ass nigga. Yeah.
Nah, my shit's stuck though.
Nah, not talking like that, it ain't stock.
No, it is. But it's like, stock is hella fast already.
Oh, okay.
You think if you were
What have you raced already? What have you raced already?
I haven't raced no more. I just here to have a good time.
Okay, okay. I need to go see what they doing over there. No bullshit. Hell yeah, just we have to park down there in case the boys come. Yeah, I'm finna duck off. Duck off inside Walmart. I'm buying items. Wait, this nigga playing video games back there?
Oh shit.
What the fuck? This nigga on the game. What the fuck? Gang got the PlayStation in the trunk, fool. What the fuck? Alright, he got my attention. That shit crazy. This nigga got the PlayStation in the trunk. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
You see that fucked up ass haircut?
Which one you talking about? That one right there?
Yeah.
That shit got the demon hood on it too. Oh shit. They went that way. I don't know why they went that way. They all right there. I don't know why. It's more shit still that way we didn't get, fool. Let's go get everything. How you feeling about this shit, fool? Nigga, that's security. I'm telling you, gang. Hey, if the police come, we're going inside Walmart, gang. We was buying stuff. All right. I'm telling you, fool. Hell yeah, nigga. If they come trying to shut this shit down, I'm gonna go inside Walmart, gang. I was buying shit. You can't tell me that I couldn't go to cut shit in reverse. Oh, cut shit in neutral. Oh yeah. Yeah, let me hear that motherfucker. Let me hear it. He probably can't even hear me. Wow! Damn! You think an M5 leaving this? You think an M5 leaving this? Or his M5?
His M5? I don't know.
I don't know about leaving this. Cuz she cammed out. There goes, look, there she goes right there. This shit going stupid.
We gotta park up with them.
You said park up with them? Oh, nigga, fuck all that moving car shit. Fuck all, oh, he with them too. The red Camaro.
He with us too.
Let me hear. Let me hear. That's what P should sound like. Huh? That's what P should sound like. That's a real SS, nigga.
I said, what the hell is it?
Oh. Yeah. Never mind.
Yeah.
I thought it was SS.
Yeah. You thought.
Oh yeah, we viral. They trying to bring the meat to them.
Let's bring my car over here.
Rev up. Yeah. Yeah. You late, nigga? You late, nigga? What's going on? Okay.
I'm getting flexible.
Okay. Niggas having Scat Pack love and shit. What's going on, my nigga?
Quiet.
That shit loud. I ain't gonna lie. That shit is gonna be loud, gang.
Bro, what's good, my nigga?
What's good, my nigga, man?
This nigga last night.
Oh, yeah. My bad. Oh, yeah, my bad. All this shit hot.
Hey, bro, chill on me. No, I'm talking about this. I'm talking about this.
Whoa, wait, what's going on here?
That's how you feel, bro?
Oh, my nigga got the 360 cam on that bitch.
Yo,
He posted up out of nowhere.
we got
Hey, I thought you didn't know. I thought you was a bitch. Hey, this shit, hey, there's a nigga in a fucking one LE fool. That bitch is loud. I got it on video. Hey, come on, bro. Fall in, gang. Hey, this bitch viral.
fuck with this about.
Hey, this shit viral. Yeah, homie. Nigga, bro, watch out. Bro, it's these niggas in these fucking C6s. Bro, it's these niggas in these C6s, bro, riding around, gang. They send out me, fool.
Yeah.
Yes, nigga. Nigga, I got all the shit on video, fool.
Let me out.
Yeah. I got the one LE on video. That shit damn near Bruce Bryce fucking eardrum. He was like, damn. I think it was the nigga last time you said, oh, wait, nah, it's not the same Camaro. That's not the same Camaro. The other nigga was the SS. Damn, homies. Where them niggas in them feds go? They probably porked they shit. Oh, that shit right here. No bullshit. We finna pork. That shit loud as fuck. Is that the same one you seen? Last time? Nah, the last one was the SS, right? Oh, wait, that's the same Mexican nigga. Yeah, that's the same Mexican nigga. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's one of them niggas in the C6s. Come on, you going that far? Yeah, nigga, I've been having all this shit on video. Nigga, I had pork in the cut, nigga. The boys from Homicide, Walmart, nigga. For real? Yeah, nigga. The boys coming, nigga, I'm going right in Walmart. I was buying something, gang. I'm telling you, fool, niggas got some shit. This gonna be a fat ass vid. It's like 15 minutes already.
Yeah, homie.
Well, no, it's probably like 13 minutes. Cause I had
Just in time, dead homies.
oh, it's another Camaro over there. Damn, man, that's a Hellcat with carbon fiber on it with fucking on wheel locks, fool. Where? Little that one? They burn out. Oh yeah, niggas outside. Okay.
That's surf skate.
That's surf ski. Didn't I tell you? I told you this bitch is live. I told you this bitch is live.
Somebody was live. Not live.
Yeah, that nigga need a tire in the morning for sure. Oh, that's it right here. Hey, damn, that motherfucking slicks. Motherfucking slicks, king.
We see Price race that. We see Price race that with the little autism. We see the autism.
That's a cat. That's the same man. He stays sitting next to his cat. Fool, the nigga that got the cat with the demon hood, stays sitting next to that shit.
They don't want to get that shit.
Sorry. Ain't nobody felt no air tag on my shit. Yeah, if I had a bike, fool, I would never stop for the police, gang.
Ever.
Like, ever. No bullshit. Exactly. They gonna have to have a fucking helicopter on me.
This, I'm gonna pull over.
Yeah, this for sure. But any one of those, I'm not pulling over.
From here, back, no. I got an R6. This R6 fucked up right now. So I'm on this.
Okay.
But I'm finna trade this for a DX10.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you know anything about bikes, that's a 1,000.
Oh, that's that. That's that, nigga. We ain't stopping at all.
I I'm not stopping.
We don't need no
I'm on
paint.
my R6.
Oh yeah, it's
Stop
good.
For what?
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
yes, I'm stopping.
Yeah, for sure. They gonna
It
big
don't
bite.
matter- It don't matter how fast your Harley is.
There's something about it, huh?
You can't fucking maneuver that.
You can't.
Oh,
And then,
It's heavy.
it does this. It does this.
too
I
much.
rode that on the freeway.
Oh,
It bounces.
damn. He got some shit up in there.
Y'all try to say.
Oh, shit. Damn. Hey, he finna call the boys. Damn. Hey, look. Oh, look at the other mirror. He got a 360 cam on. He in the group chat too. Oh, security finna call the police. Hellcat. I'm telling you, fool, the police come. I'm going right in Walmart. I'm fucking. Let's go. Oh. Hey, we over there. I'm with the big boy course. I think. This shit, hey, you gonna upgrade?
Oh, dude.
Strike somebody's shit up. I didn't say that on. You know, my true colors almost came out. Ooh, let me hear that motherfucker. Ooh, hit that motherfucker. Hit that motherfucker. Hit that motherfucker, man. You in the cat, you better hit that motherfucker. Oh, nigga's a bitch. He's a bitch.
Tell him, hit that motherfucker. Oh, that shit quiet. Thought I was Tesla.
Yeah.
Damn.
That nigga said I thought it was a
Thought that was
Tesla.
Tesla.
Oh, this shit live. Oh yeah, this shit live. Damn, this shit way down there, gang. Come on. My nigga BC, them niggas pull up here and leave that, gang. This the content over here.
Come on, get you over. Talk to the
I hope you hear this in the video too, B. Hey, you missing your whole content, gang.
Talk to the niggas. Talk to the nigga. Talk to the ball. Come on.
Hey, huh? I'm capturing this shit like wild core meat. I ain't even do an intro, gang. I got right into it.
Oh, you got right to the point.
Right to the point.
Do the intro. All right, there, folks. That's all. Hit the outro. I'm up.
What?
Come here. Whoa.
Damn, that shit low as fuck. Fuck. They probably got bags in there where they can lift that shit up. Got to. Oh yeah. Woo! I need to hear that again, nigga. Ooh wee. And he got it on 4Gs.
Niggas having it.
Bro, you don't keep getting shitted on in the Hellcat. You can't keep getting shit on. You can, huh? Yeah, that's this nigga. Hey, rev that motherfucker. Rev it. You in that shit, man. Fuck that Hellcat.
Here's the one SS.
Nigga, the hell, this a 2SS.
I'm here. No.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hearing. That's
He finna do some shit. That Hellcat don't want no smoke, gang. That Hellcat don't want no smoke. Oh, he pressing some buttons in this motherfucker. Oh yeah. That Hellcat don't want no smoke, man. That Hellcat don't want no smoke, gang. Oh! Hey, I gotta hear you read this one, bro. Hey, he shitting on you. Hey, he shitting on you, gang. Hey, I like this motherfucker. Hey. Oh, hey, you shitting on that nigga. Hey, let this nigga know this a real Camaro. You feel me? You gotta let that nigga know, man. Oh, hey. Oh, that's a Hellcat. Ooh. Damn.
Shut up, dog. I couldn't even hear myself. Damn. That's how that shit supposed to sound.
Damn.
I need my shit to sound like that.
Hey, I need shit over here, fool. This shit going dumb. Oh yeah, I like this Mustang. Who Mustang is this? Oh shit. Hey, everybody pointing fingers on this motherfucker hot though.
Look at his sweater. I'm trying to lie like
This motherfucker loud? Okay. You out here, I know you out here scoping like who in the race, huh? Okay. This motherfucker is beefy though. I see them fat ass slicks on the back. It's doing something. Alright, man. Damn, hey, we had 17 minutes. I'm about to put this shit away in a minute.
word.
I don't want to miss shit, gang. Ain't nobody gonna watch no 30-minute video.
You right. Hey, here's your outro.
Hey, look. Hey, this Rich here, SRT. Look, we gonna see y'all again. Boom. Shit. Next one.